guys. Today we got an amazing hike. This one is considered the Mount Rushmore of New York State. We are excited to show you today. Uh, let's get started. Yo, I don't know what. I was just chilling, scrolling, and all of a sudden I just heard that sound. It scared the crap out of me. Welcome to the Pratt Rock Welcome Center. All the lovely history. You guys can read more about that on our website if you guys want, or you can pause here and just kind of gloss over it. Unfortunately, it looks like someone broke the glass to it. Someone swept it up or something, which is nice. Pratt Rock. The carvings tell the story of the Pratt family. From Civil War veterans, U.S. senators. There's a lot to tell. And it's really cool. I believe this was part of their property. I could be wrong. And there he is, the man himself, Mr. Zadok Pratt.
Very Abraham-esque.
Right? He does look like Abraham. Alright guys, let's go check out the trail. If you guys want to learn more about the history of the location, make sure you read our article, J. Marie Athletics. The link will be down below.
Maybe they left it for when they get back.
Maybe. Just off the trail to the left as you're coming up, there is a stone. Let's see. Z. Pratt. Yep. It's quite a beautiful view, he does. And I see other names on here as well.
So maybe his other family was also here.
It's possible. I mean, it's a sizable space. It could be. It gets to overlook the Schoharie Creek. I wonder how high the water came when the flooding. Comparably up here.
It's possible if they went this way.
And the trail is right behind here, as you guys can see. It goes right up yonder, which is where we're going to be going in a second. Guys, we're not even like a few feet in, but this might even already be part of it. Look at that.
It is. We need to get a little closer to get a better picture. Huh? This is okay here.
As I said, there's the stone we were just at. Let's get it. Just beyond our first glimpses of Pratt Rock, we have this old carved slate shale bench. Look at the old carving work in this. This is incredible. This is absolutely breathtaking hike. Really cool. If you guys like special hikes where they have something unique on them, this is kind of incredible. Look at that. There it is. Matt, another stone bench and a fork in the road. We're gonna follow straight on our way back down. We're gonna come back and go under the face. Working our way up. I wasn't anticipating this much of an incline. I should have. But it was 600 feet of elevation. A lot of slate-like rock material on the way up. overall it's not bad, but there are parts that are a wee bit muddy.
Second pole is highly recommended for the early spring.
And we finally made it up this bit of a steep incline actually, and there seems to be some offshoots that go down this way, but what's crazy is it's protected by barbed wire, but the barbed wire's been here so long, like it's the tree is like almost spitting it out, which is crazy to me. Maybe it was wrapped around the tree based on the way its growth is, but Kristen noted there's a bit of an opening over here and she took off, so I'm gonna try and catch up with her. Oh wow. Oh wow. So I think we're on top of it, aren't we? Woo.
Stay out, the rain starts to come down again.
These beautiful, breathtaking breaks in the brush as we make our way up. It almost feels like it gets increasingly steeper with every step, which is crazy. But these views keep getting so much more beautiful. One thing to keep out for is there are a lot of steep edges, so you definitely want to be careful when coming through.
Better than the first one.
That's what I was saying, see? And we have this beautiful opening. Like someone tried to make like a makeshift fence over here. This is the part I don't recommend, guys. This is really steep, so we just got up there. We're coming back down this way, just past some other hikers. So we actually know where we're at. So we're heading back towards the carvings now, after we went over the peak. And Kristen already found something.
Well, the rock shaped like a mushroom. That's all.
Oh,
Interesting.
that is cool. Now at this point, I'm gonna switch over to the VR, but I wanna note, if you do this, make sure you're very careful. I don't want to be recording for too long because I want to watch out my footing. But yeah, I don't know if the video does it justice with how steep this is. Coming down the side of the cliff, you have this beautiful rock face. Reminds you almost of Indian kill ladders. We want to be really careful here so we don't slip. Go. Looks like we're opening up into a cave. Edie, you okay over there? Alright. Wow. Alright. Heard. Woo! Alright. I'm mainly concerned about you, but I'm glad. Thank you. Well, that's a warning. We have a first, though. Whew. Oh, time for our stretch. Oh, fuck. Oh. I heard big woos, so either something really exciting just happened or someone fell. It's a little cave? K, marry me, J. Arrows. Yeah, you imagine putting your hand in there and just like a snake gets you. Oh, see, nothing up there no more.
Someone from Winslow, New Jersey. Wyndham Mountain Adventure Camp. A Christina. The Norris clan. The Jacobs. Wow, all the way from 2016. I thought this was a lot more popular than that. Most of them are from 2025.
Did finally make it, guys. The art. Sorry for those of you in VR camera, I can't zoom in. But if you guys want to switch over to standard, you guys can see a better view of it. Timestamps will probably be in the link below. There is a head up there. I did not notice that before, but I can't get a good view of it. We'll try to get a better view of that from behind, or from down below, I should say. It's a shame that like some of the art is illegible. Crazy cool little nook. Is there more stuff around the corner? Now this is a little spot Kristen was in. Spot we're sitting. Life is only death in drag. Okay, buddy. There's some spider friends. There's the book Kristen was reading. Little notes. People leave little things. It is tight. Maybe 2 people could fit in here at most. And there are more crests and family shields. Some of which are gonna be a little bit easier to see from down below. I believe Kristen started heading off down that way, so we're gonna follow behind shortly. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. We got more content coming soon from hidden gems, different hikes, and so much more.
Definitely make sure to bring these bad boys with you if it's wet, safety, and of course, public service announcement, no trail left behind. Whatever you bring in, make sure you take it out too. That's what keeps these things wonderful and beautiful.
Absolutely. Guys, make sure you go check out the J. Marie Athletic store if you want to check out more. You want more content like this to consistently be put out. Your support going to that store helps keep us going on the road. So if you guys want more hiking content, you want more athletics content in general, comment below. Let us know what you want to see. We'll go cover it. Till next time, stay blessed. Peace. Guys, if you want to help save Pratt Rock, I believe this is a link to donate. I don't know if you can scan a QR code on a video, but if you can, here you go. We'll support Pratt Rock, guys.